Welcome back to our video series called Why Nauman. My name's Rebecca and I'm here with Dave, our comfort specialist for residential HVAC installations. Dave, welcome back.
Hi, Rebecca.
So today's topic is going to be about the HVAC installation process here at Nauman, but before we get into that, Dave's going to tell us a little bit about our financing options.
Sure. We have multiple finance options today for our customers. We have what's called a Nauman Quick Comfort Project Card. With that project card, we can finance almost any project with no money down. We have interest-free options. We have interest-based options. With approval, we can finance any project.
And how can customers apply for that financing?
Customers can go online, go to our website, or we can send the application to their smart device. It's quick and easy.
Cool. So now we'll talk a little bit about the HVAC installation process. What can customers expect with that?
We all lead busy lives, as everyone knows. Here at Nauman, we take pride in our streamlined installation process. It all starts with our install team working with that customer closely to come up with a time that best fits that customer's schedule to minimize disruption. Our installers will arrive on time with the right tools and equipment to get the job done. Once the installation is completed, our installers will then take the customer and go through the installation process to ensure that they understand how the system operates correctly and efficiently.
Awesome. Well, tune in next time and we're going to chat with Dave about the Nauman after sales support. Thanks again, Dave.
Thanks, Rebecca.
Why Nauman is brought to you by Nauman Companies. Visit them online at callnauman.com or call 570-476-7515.